Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today I thought I would do a little bit of a mini haul of stuff that I bought from Ardene. So Ardene is mainly geared towards young girls, so their sizing can be a little bit narrow. So everything that I've purchased, I purchased in a size medium. And of course, this video is not sponsored by Ardene. Everything that I bought on my own. So here's the bag. Okay, so the first item is one that I quickly tried on and then I quickly took off. It is this pink peachy camisole with a little bit of lace detailing. The reason why I don't have a try-on video for this one is because it is a little small. The fabric is quite stiff and rough, and I really didn't like the feeling of it. So this one will probably go back. It's a cute color. I really like the color, and I really like the detailing. If they just had made it in a little bit of a softer material, that is a little bit more comfortable, but this one is not. But this next item here is one that I really love. So it is another camisole with a peachy flower print. And I've been looking for something similar to this for quite some time. I wanted to get something like this to wear underneath cardigans. And so this one is really great for that. And it's got a little bit of a lettuce detailing on the bottom here. And it is quite stretchy. And it's cropped, so it's good for high-waisted jeans. The only thing that might pose an issue is that it doesn't have adjustable straps, but that's okay. It doesn't hinder my ability to wear it. So the next item is a cropped t-shirt with some faux button detailing down the front. It's in kind of a dusty rose, peach, and white stripe. And what I really loved about this when I saw it is that it really gives me like a 90s vibe. And I will wear this with jeans, of course, but I really would love to style it with a pair of overalls. I'm on the lookout for a good pair of overalls. So when I find them, I'll probably wear this shirt with that. Once again, it's got lettuce hem detailing on the sleeve here, and the material is really soft. And so I've got the same shirt in a plain white color, and once again the faux button detailing down the front and the lettuce hem detailing on the sleeve. Just another nice little basic that I can wear with jeans. And the next thing I bought is a basic white baby tee. And once again, something that I've been looking for quite some time. And I really have my eye to wear this with cami dresses or like a slip dress, once again for that 90s look. And so this t-shirt is the perfect size for a baby tee. The material is soft, it's quite stretchy. So that's another really good basic. And then again, I had to get the same shirt in another color. So this time I got it in this army green olive color, which I love. I really love an army green color. And so once again, just a nice stretchy material, so it's comfortable, it's not too restrictive, and the fabric is quite soft. And so the next thing that I was really on the lookout for is I really wanted to buy a new pair of sunglasses, because the ones that I have been wearing for quite some time are all scratched on the front. So I knew it was time for a new pair. So they had this deal going on. When you buy one pair of sunglasses, you get another one for $1. So I picked up these really nice oversized tortoiseshell pair of sunglasses with this little bit of chain detailing on the side. And I really love large sunglasses. And I really love the fact that they're big enough that they can fit right over my eyeglasses. I don't wear prescription sunglasses, so I like to buy my glasses quite large so they can fit right over my prescription sunglasses. But these ones are really, really comfortable. They do have UV protection, so that's really good as well. And so they're gonna protect all around your eye. But once again, just the style of these, I really love. And so then the next pair that I picked up is another one of my favorite styles, which is an Aviator Style. So these have like a brown lens on them and the gold rim on them. And once again, just super comfortable. They can fit over my eyeglasses if I want to wear my eyeglasses while I'm wearing these. And they've got a little bit of a rope detailing here and UV protection, and they're just, like I said, just really super, super comfortable. So that is the end of this little mini haul. Thank you for joining me. Let me know in the comments if you regularly buy anything from Ardene, or just let me know what you think of the items that I bought. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this one, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in another video.